Hi, I'm Irina from Axela, and now you can see me and Mirek right before installation of AMI. The winner of our efforts is Advanced Research and Development Center for Experimental Medicine in Iași, Romania. AMI is in vivo imaging platform for live animal research with bioluminescence, fluorescence, and X-ray. AMI, it's plug-and-play instrument ready to use in 5 minutes with patented LED sources which reduce at minimum the autofluorescence. Capacity is for 5 mice or 3 rats or 1 Guinea pig. CEMEX team has wide experience with all kinds of technologies for animal research, and now they are at the beginning of a nice story with AMI. Hey, they succeeded in better positioning the Lady M, so now it is time to play. To set up experiment is very easy. You can use cursors for the image adjustment, you can choose one or multiple dice from the list, or you can export in the COM format and integrate results with other experiments. Hey Mirek, where is hiding the mice? We have all the answers. Go with Axela.